你好，我睡着。
Well, we've heard so much about BBSG, so when we got given the opportunity to come and see the school, we all jumped to the opportunity. We're so excited to be here, and it's such a great opportunity. Also to come and see China, because none of us have ever been to China before.
The buildings are so beautiful. It's very modern as well. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's just a whole different world.
After learning the language for 4 years, it's so nice to finally be immersed in the language, be able to use it in a conversation.
My favourite moment was probably helping the Year 1 kids, being the TA, because they were so cute, and it was really exciting to be able to work with younger kids, because at Benenden, the lowest is Year 7. When we got to supervise evening prep, because then we could help them and be more interact with them. That's really good.
Observing a badminton match between secondary students and an Olympian was definitely inspirational.
We did basketball, which we'd never done before. It was a completely new experience, but I think we all took it up pretty well, and we had a really great time doing it. The girls were really lovely. They involved us so quickly. I think it was a really good bonding experience for all of us.
We're able to have casual conversations with people, friendly conversations, and I think that definitely helped to improve our Chinese speaking skills.
I think also our listening skills have gone up, because when I first started here, I could connect with a few words like 我觉得 or 我认为, but now I'm picking up more and more. My lesson that I learned was to just put yourself forward and try everything you possibly can, because we've learned so much. It's because we put that time and effort into actually participating in everything that we can.
One of the biggest difficulties we face here coming to China was the language barrier. So I feel we struggle with that, and they won't have that same problem in the UK. But I think that it's worth just trying to listen and learn as much as you can, because the best way to expand your knowledge or learn new language is to be immersed in it completely.
I think just being yourself and putting yourself out there, trying new activities, talking to people. I think that if you just go for it, then you'll definitely make a lot out of the experience.
我们在英国等你，See you at Benenden.